My name is Piercarlo Sarzi-Puttini. I am a rheumatologist, and right now I'm running as a director at this rheumatology unit at Luigi Sacco University Hospital in Milan, Italy. Well, I have some expertise, especially in rheumatology, especially in inflammatory rheumatic disorder and in chronic pain syndrome mostly. So the idea is, instead of doing a classical type of congress, which you have a frontal lesson in which you just listen to someone who is giving their expertise in the topic, we'd rather to have two people that in a way fight one against the other one, just to make an idea or a thesis to prevail on the other one. So we think it would be more realistic, more interesting to see people who doesn't have exactly the same idea, but who can bring up things from their own experience or from the literature to make one thesis prevail on the other one. And so that's the main reason why we decided to move to controversy in rheumatology and autoimmunity. This is going to be a crossroad between rheumatology and immunology, and especially basic immunology, because as we all know, I mean, our diseases, they're not only clinically oriented, also have pathogenetic mechanism, and so we have to debate also on a basic science. The hot topics right now is how to treat patients with inflammatory rheumatic disorder, let's say rheumatoid arthritis, spondyloarthropathies, because we have a lot of different new drugs, we have different guidelines that we are trying to use, and we're trying to treat this patient as early as possible. But obviously with drugs that are very expensive. So one of the point is how much is worth it to spend for treating this patient, when this is necessary. Can we save money with some type of different ethical consideration? This is something that we have to debate, and also we have to debate with people who have a lot of experience on these topics. But the idea, again, is always to not just to talk about the disease, but to focus on what is not totally known or is not totally agreeable in this disease. So we can really have a debate in which we will hope that also the audience will participate. Sorrento is a small but wonderful, beautiful town, and I think in a way it's an expression of how is Italian culture, how is Italian landscape. So I think you need science, you need to have communication in this big Congress Center, but when you get out of the big Congress, I think it's very nice to see the sea, to see how people live in a different environment. Also as a person, I mean, it would be something that really could be good for your soul. Well, I'm telling to everyone that we're waiting for them to come to this meeting. It's going to be, a very good occasion to improve it, to increase our knowledge about this fascinating topic that is rheumatology and autoimmunology. And I think whoever comes will get a lot from this meeting, because that will be, I think, the best occasion for next year to improve your knowledge and your capability in the work they are doing.